Welcome to the Service Disabled Veterans Enterprise System from the Office of General Services. In this video, we'll show you how to use the directory of service-disabled veteran-owned businesses. When you arrive at the portal, you can select the directory by clicking on the large box in the center with the magnifying glass icon, or in the left-hand navigation by clicking on the SDVOB search link. When the directory appears, businesses will be listed. Information about those businesses is available, and you can see more detail by clicking on an individual business's name. If you're looking for businesses of a certain type, you can use the filters. You can search by name, the category, classifications, home region, NAICS codes, keywords, or home county. To do a search, choose a piece of information to filter by. Then, add a search term. You can click Apply Filter in order to apply that filter. If you would like to have more than one, you can continue to add them. All of the businesses that match your filters will appear. You can also continue to filter down results by adding additional filters. In this case, the region. At any time, you can remove a filter by clicking the small X icon next to that filter. Or you can use the Clear Filters button to remove all the filters. Results are paged, and you can use the navigation at the bottom right-hand side of the grid to move between pages. You can also download a complete copy of your filtered results using the Download Search Results button. The file will be downloaded in a CSV file format, which can be opened in popular spreadsheet programs.